Hello, Ashley and Austin. This is a video for you to talk about Google Classroom and what I want you to do first hour, which is our little math period. You are going to log into our Google Classroom, which is Mrs. Craig's resource room. At the top of your screen on Google Classroom, it says Stream Classwork People Grades. If you click on classwork, it brings up a screen that looks like this. And you have your own little section right here where it says Ashley and Austin. So the very first thing you need to do is watch this daily opener video. You'll click on that, a video will pop open. You need to watch that first. Next, if you guys haven't already, take a look at your class schedule. This is what'll happen for the first block. Next thing, this is for first hour math. So I just wrote first hour Acellus here. You're going to go ahead and click on this. You're going to click on it and it's going to show you what to do. Please log into your Acellus account. Monday through Thursday, you will do 15 minutes of math on Acellus. So you can view your assignment. Fridays, what I will probably do is if you have any questions with some things that you've been doing on Acellus, there's something you're not getting, um, we'll take that time and talk about it and answer questions. This is what we are going to do for this week is just mainly Acellus. Next week, um, probably do a couple days of Acellus and a couple days of something else. But for this week, first hour, you're just going to work on Acellus. And if you'll see, I ask you to only do 15 minutes of it. Our class period is actually 25 minutes. I might ask you to do 15. If you do 20, that's even better. The next thing, then we go into second hour. Second hour, you guys are with me again. You'll click on this just like you did for first hour. Second hour is our Read Theory. I want you to log into your Read Theory account. All you have to do is push this right here. It takes you right to Read Theory. You log in. You will have to do a quick little assessment just to kind of see where you're at, and then do the assessment. Again, I want you to work 15-20 minutes on Read Theory. That's all I'm asking. We'll probably, again, do this week. Next week, we'll look at doing something else. So that is first and second hour for you guys. Third hour, you have government, so you will need to check into your Mr. Funk's government Google Classroom. And fourth hour, you come back here to me, and I have created, you will find under classwork again how this says Ashley and Austin. There will be one that says fourth hour Ashley, Austin, and Madison. That's where your things will be for fourth hour. And there is a video in there explaining what I would like you to do for that applied English hour as well. If you guys have any questions, text me, message me, um, get me through Google Hangouts, which you do through your email, okay? We will get through this, and I will see you guys soon.